Well, this will be step one. Get this guy out of here. So underneath the car is surprisingly still very clean. It's not like it has a bunch of rust anywhere. There's a couple spots, just a couple. But when I did prep this car originally, I did put some care into making sure this was all tidied up. And it's still holding up after all these years. A couple cobwebs. Well, the oil's surprisingly good looking.
What's minus and what's horribly looking?
Well, surprisingly good looking.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we're a little bit over halfway. Just de-dressing the motor to get the rat's nest off, ejector clips, and a few other touch-ups, and then the motor is just about ready to be pulled, and we're killing it. Johnny says hi. We're at the point now. We just have tasty dinner, and we're going to actually pull the motor out of the car. We've taken all the items out. So we got the drive shaft, the upper intake manifold, the exhaust, and various other components of the vehicle out. At this stage, I think it's literally ready to just be. We're going to mount some chains up to this motor and pull it out. We're going to pull the motor and trans and a downpipe all together, so that way we can just get all one swoop. And then once you get it out, we can tear down the motor more, and then we'll clean up, and it's going to be good.
All right. Then you said you wanted to put one over here too?
Yeah, just triangulate it.
All right. A couple of bolts.
Yeah. I had the upper intake manifold bolts over here, so I got bolts right here. Yeah, right here. Let's put them right here. There's one on the rat's nest. This one? That is a 12.
Well, the problem is we're gonna walk over here, and here's the car. But Aaron forgot to take this video before the hood was reinstalled, so we have no proof that anything happened.
Look, we can do this now. So. We now have an Rx7 with no motor in it.
So what she's saying is an Rx7 in its natural habitat?
Well, it's on jack stand, so it is the natural habitat by itself. But now it's with no motor. So we're good to go.
All right.
The motor's in the motor and trans are in the garage, and we're ready to begin tear down of that guy tomorrow. So we did it. Step one.
We'll show the motor in the garage tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right.